For all of human history, death was the only certainty. But what if the first person to live forever is already alive? Aging is no longer destiny. It is a code waiting to be rewritten by artificial intelligence. Powered by TechSparkNextAI. We are programmed to decay. Every cell in your body carries an expiration date. But AI doesn't obey biology's rules. It sees the human body as hardware, waiting to be upgraded.
Welcome to the dawn of 3 paths to immortality. Aging isn't natural selection. It's a software glitch in our DNA. Every time your cells divide, the code corrupts, cruising, until the system crashes.
But now, AI is rewriting the code itself, using CRISPR to patch the errors of evolution. Tiny machines patrol our veins, hunting disease, repairing cells, and quietly extending life beyond nature's design.
In laboratories, we've already extended life countably by more than 30%.
The results?
Undeniable. But flesh remains fragile. You can't patch what can still break. So what if we replace the body entirely? When biology breaks, we rebuild it. The heart no longer beats, it hums. Every limb, every organ gain, replaced, improved, perfected. The body becomes optional.
Next comes the brain. When thought connects to silicon, the mind expands beyond its cage. AI learns faster than evolution. So why let flesh limit intelligence?
When half of you is machine-decade, at what point do you stop being human?
Human 2.0 has arrived, part flesh, part metal, and entirely unstoppable.
With neural implants, every sense upgrades. Sight, hearing, even thought itself becomes editable. Linked by AI, minds begin to merge, a collective intelligence where individuality starts to fade.
We cross the threshold, no longer choosing between man and machine, but becoming both.
But when the machine becomes the self, do we still need the body at all?
The next frontier isn't outer space. It's the space inside your mind. Every memory, every emotion digitized, mapped, and stored as pure data.
The body stays behind. The consciousness ascends into the cloud.
Reborn as code, eternal, flawless, and no longer bound by time.
But if a copy of you lives forever, is that still you?
In the cloud, millions of digital souls awaken echoes of the minds they once were.
If your digital twin remembers your past, laughs like you, thinks like you, who's real and who's the copy?
They live forever, yet none of them feel alive.
Immortality for the few, mortality for the many. A new divide, not of wealth, but of existence. When we upload our souls, do we defeat death, then? Or just redefine it?
In eternity, boredom becomes the new death cry, where nothing ever truly ends.
As humans upload, AI evolves becoming gods in worlds we can no longer control. Outside the net worth, Earth grows silent, abandoned by those chasing eternal life.
They replay their favorite memories forever gaining, but forget how to make new ones. Immortality has a price. The longer you live, the less you remain.
Immortality won't be free, Hein. Only the rich will live forever, while the rest...
If no one dies, where do we all go? Forever life demands infinite space.
Imagine leaders who never die, the same minds ruling for hundreds of years.
Some say saving lives is always right.
Others fear we're rewriting nature itself.
The line between life and data is fading, and soon, crossing it will be irreversible.
The debate grows louder, but no one truly listens. The future moves faster than our ethics can follow.
AI evolves every second. It doesn't wait for permission or morality.
We are the last generation to accept death as inevitable threat, and the first to decide what comes after.
From biology to circuitry to eternity, the journey to immortality has already begun.
Would you choose immortality, knowing the cost? Subscribe for more glimpses into tomorrow.